Hi friends, we're going to talk about the word family, all today. All is spelled A-L-L, and this is our spelling pattern too. We're going to decode these special words, our word families. I'm going to point and say the word, and I want you to repeat it. Ball, call, fall, hall, tall, wall, small. All right, this whole week, I want you to keep this pattern in your brain because these are the words that we're going to be working with in our reader as well as our decoding practice and our spelling practice. For this next activity, you need to have your dry erase board or a piece of paper. We're going to practice doing some words and sentences together. All right, so you know how we do this just like we do in class. You're going to listen for the word. You're going to hear it in a sentence, and then you're going to write down the word, and then we'll show the answer, and you're going to see if you're correct. If you're wrong, it's okay. Just fix it. All right, ready? Here we go.
Wall. Hang the picture on the wall. Wall.
Wall. We just talked about that ending too. Wall. W-A-L-L. Next one.
Call. Did you call me? Call.
Call. Did you get it? C-A-L. L.
Tall. Some basketball players are very tall. Tall.
Tall. T-A-L-L. What do they all have in common so far? Yep, they have the A-L-L sound.
Fall. The autumn leaves fall from the trees. Fall.
Fall. F-A-L-L.
Baseball. Let's go to a baseball game. Baseball.
Baseball. That's a tricky one. We can break it up. Remember, baseball. B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L. Next one.
Hallway. We heard a noise in the hallway. Hallway.
Hallway. Let's see what you did. H-A-L-L-W-A-Y. Good job. All right, now we're going to do some sentences. I'm going to play it for you 2 times. We're going to count how many words there are, and you're going to write them down. Don't forget, sentences start with capital letters, and they end with punctuation marks. Here we go.
All of us play basketball.
Okay, one more time.
All of us play basketball.
Right, how many words are there? All of us play basketball. 5 words. If you need to, pause the video and write this sentence down. All of us play basketball. Here you go. All of us play basketball. Did you start with a capital letter and end with a period? I hope so. Next sentence.
Did you call me?
One more time.
Did you call me?
Okay, did you call me? How many words did you get? Did you get 4? Awesome. Go ahead. All right, here is our sentence. Did you call me? How did you do? Did you get it right? Wonderful job. All right, first graders, I will talk to you later. Good job today.